Filming the River Wharfe underwater for half a decade was driven by a deep-seated passion for environmental awareness and conservation. By chronicling the river's underwater landscape, I sought to foster a connection between viewers and the fragile aquatic ecosystems that often go unnoticed. Through this visual journey, I aspired to evoke a sense of responsibility, encouraging others to appreciate the intricate web of life beneath the water's surface and join the collective effort to safeguard our natural wonders for future generations. Through the lens of my camera, I aim to document the river's evolving beauty and contribute to a visual chronicle that invites viewers to contemplate the delicate balance of nature over time. Nestled in the heart of the stunning Yorkshire Dales, the River Wharfe is a liquid gem that weaves through this picturesque landscape, enchanting all who encounter its sheer beauty. The River Wharfe is a living testament to the majesty of nature. Its waters meander through the rolling hills, painting a canvas of tranquility and grace. From its source high in the Dales to its confluence with the River Ouse, this waterway is a lifeline, a source of inspiration, and a testament to the enduring power of nature. The River Wharfe is not just a passive observer. It invites us to explore its wonders, to connect with its essence, and to experience its sheer beauty from a unique perspective. The River Wharfe also reminds us of our responsibility to protect these invaluable ecosystems. It's our duty to ensure that future generations can revel in its beauty as we do today. A liquid gem, a source of life, and a testament to the power of nature, the River Wharfe continues to weave its magic through the heart of Yorkshire, beckoning all to embrace its sheer beauty.